This habit might be the number one thing I hear pianists do that make their Chopin sound mechanical and technical instead of musical. And once you hear it, you can't ever not hear it again, because it'll be very obvious once I show it to you. And that is stopping before you're playing over the bar line. Oftentimes it's stopping right before the downbeat. You get to the top of the phrase and you stop at the top instead of going over the phrase. So I'll show you what I mean by that with a section of the opening, towards the opening of the Polonaise-Fantaisie. What I'm going to do is stop right before I really want to continue on. I'll play it first how I don't want you to do it at home, then I'll play it again, talk through so that you make sure you hear it, and then I'll play it as I want you to play it over the top of the phrase. So I'm hesitating right before the downbeats, which is just cringy. I'm waiting and I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Instead, you want to play over the top of the bar. Going to this. Played over the bar. I didn't do. Instead, I played to the high note, top of the phrase, and then held back a little bit there. So notice in your Chopin, any place you're doing that, you're stopping. It often happens right before downbeats. You're like right at the top of the phrase and you stop too early. The line never quite arrives and then the music sounds calculated rather than musical. If this habit is present in your playing, no amount of rubato will help that. In the next video, we'll be diving deep into Chopin rubato, but I wanted to cover this first because if you don't have this handled, no amount of rubato will help your Chopin sound more musical. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.